What is up, Gwenters? I know this is a different channel, but we'll try to do a cross plant here. So this is Gwent on a Steam Deck. Now I am going to be posting this video up on my other channel, Gone Building, where I build computers, do some hardware unboxings and reviews, teach you guys how to make some basic stuff around your desk, and I'll be doing some reviews of products that I've used for several months, where I think about them. Am I still getting good value out of them? Do I think they're worth buying, etc., etc.? It's got a small subscriber base, but hey, we're having a good time over there, and figured I'd cross plant this so you guys, if you were interested in that kind of stuff, you can go and watch me over there. In the meantime, though, I do want to show all of you how Gwent is working on the Steam Deck. Now, this is basically, I'm playing through GOG. I am, for whatever reason, it's not forcing me into using the controller map, which I actually like. Instead, I'm using the trackpads. It is a little bit clunky to drag and drop, but it works, and I'm getting used to it. And you can also just use the touchscreen as well. So for me, this feels like the perfect blend of the mobile with the functionality of the PC version. So a bunch of things are easier on the PC version, like deck editing and deck building is way faster, way easier to use. You get much better drop-down menus. You can see all of it at once. So the text is pretty small, as you see, but it is workable. Now let's go out and just show you a quick match. I did also, you can always go to your options and check, and it's not here, it's not giving you the choice of playing with the gamepad. So just in case that was something you were interested in, you wanted to play with the gamepad, it's not available for whatever reason. So just keep that in mind. All right, so getting into a game. Now, if you haven't used the Steam Deck and you haven't watched my video on how Windows works, if you're just watching from Gwent, you left click with the right trackpad and you right click with the left trackpad, which seems a little backwards, but the intuition is sound once you start using it. It's like very similar in most games. It's like the right trigger and left versus left trigger. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. Oh, whoops! I didn't mean to get rid of two things. I guess you just tap once instead of having to tap twice. There you go. You get it. You get it, my man. All right, and I'll show you here. The one thing that's a little tricky is dragging and making sure you drop them on the right row. So that's basically how it works with the trackpad. As you can see, pretty doable. You just have to keep even pressure on the buttons. Once you do that, you're fine. Now I'll show you how it works with touch control, which I do actually really like touching and dragging cards on the mobile version. I actually find it to be really fun. So this works very well. I have a screen protector over it that's not very good. I'm waiting for Dbrand's kill switch case to come out before I fully commit on screen protectors and such. I'm probably gonna get the Dbrand screen protector. Note that the quality of screen protector really hampers your ability to play with the touchscreen, but it does work. So basically, you're getting the best of both worlds. If you guys have watched me for a long time, you'll know I started with the mobile version, and then later played on the PC once I was able to save up enough money and get a PC. So for me, this is like a cool transition device for me. And note that if you watch my Windows video, you can totally run Windows on this thing and run word processing documents. You can connect your Bluetooth keyboard. I just connect it right into my Thunderbolt dock, and you can use it on like a big TV or a monitor of some kind. So that works out really well. So yeah, that's Gwent on the Steam Deck. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I certainly have. Now, one thing you do always need to remember: watch my Windows video just to learn this. If you want to enter into an escape screen, then you just have to hold down the Steam button or the the multifunctional menu button and tap the left D-pad button. Once you do that, it acts as escape. And there are a bunch of other buttons that are mapped here. You have access to the keyboard by pressing Steam and pressing X. So if you ever need to use the keyboard to type something in, that works pretty well. So lots of functionality here, but also super clean interface to use if you're just going to jam some Gwent. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you think this is something that you'd be interested in? Do you have a Steam Deck and you haven't yet tried Gwent? Are you playing Gwent on Steam or are you playing Gwent on GOG? Do you have a preference for either of those things? Lots of questions I have, and I'd love to hear more about what it is that all of you are doing. Until next time, good luck out there, have some fun, and keep on Gwenting. Bye for now.